Hi everyone, welcome to the House Mouse collaboration for September. This is September 1st when this video is going up, and our theme this month was autumn colors, just like in the Lovely Ladies collab. So I did two different cards with two different stamps. This is the first one I used, called Fall Float. This nice leaf and the little mouse, I'm not sure which mouse this is floating down or something. Yeah, floating down as the leaves fall. And the paper I used, I think, was, it's not Stampin' Up, I'll just say that. I made this a while ago, and as with the other collab today, I also forget the name of the paper. I've had it in my stash for a while. This, I think, was from Target years ago. And these ephemera pieces went with this paper. I'm not sure what it's from. And the coloring is done in Stampin' Up Stampin' Right markers. And yeah, I think it's So Saffron or Daffodil Delight with some pumpkin pie and Cajun craze, a little bit of Old Olive. And the mouse is in Gray Granite and Petal Pink Light and Dark. And it's on Cinnamon Cider, which is Stampin' Up. And this is just a layering oval, and it looks like I went around the edges with Cinnamon Cider Stampin' Right marker, which is this. And let's see what I did on the inside, just a piece of the paper. And if I can find the paper, I'll put it in the description below. But it's probably out of stock at this point. It's a nice paper. And I'm pretty sure I had it in the small paper pads as well as the 12 by 12. So I know, I'm sure I got it at one of the big box stores. Alright, second card. I used this one, which is called, it's Muzzy and Amanda, and it's called Acorn Cap. You can't really see it, but he's got a little acorn on his head. Or her head, that's Amanda. This one's holding an acorn, and there's some on the ground, just the caps and the full acorns and some leaves. So I also used Cinnamon Cider for this, but this was a cut apart from one of those papers, and this ribbon is from Dollar Tree. And then this was like the last leaf in a pack from Jolie, I seem to recall, and then these were from that ephemera pack, the same one that these came out of. And this is that same twine, which I'm pretty sure was from Target. And I think this was in the same pack as the leaf, if I remember correctly. And these were again colored using the Stampin' Up alcohol markers in Cinnamon Cider, Gray Granite, Petal Pink, Old Olive, Cherry Cobbler. Not the best coloring I've ever done, but I think it's cute anyway. And then inside there was this strip on one of the papers, and I just cut that and made it into a border. And I think this is Very Vanilla from Stampin' Up. Now this card is a little longer, so I think this is a 4x6, where this is an A2. So that's it. Those are my autumn colors cards. I hope you enjoyed it. I had fun doing it. Also, I will not be continuing this collab in 2022. So if anyone else is interested in continuing the House Mouse collab, hosting it, and finding new participants or same participants, let me know. You can comment below or email me. I'll put my email below. I'm probably going to be cutting back on the number of collabs I'm doing for 2022. So this one and the Lovely Ladies, I'm not going to host or participate in 2022. Other than that, I haven't made up my mind on some of the others yet, but we'll keep you posted, and I'll do an announcement officially in probably early October. Alright everyone, have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and please be sure to check everyone else out. Remember, we're doing this one for 2021 in honor of Gracie 21. Alright everyone, have a great day. Bye.